Alright folks, I'm almost as nervous as hell to do this for two reasons. One, getting stung, and second, getting the camera all messed up with wasp pheromone. The wasps are sitting happily and quietly in there after, I think they've settled down then after last week's encounter, but here we go with the scientific, with the little sledge-o-matic treatment, huh? Got my running shoes on. I'm going to knock on that thing and get the wasp out of there. It looks like a red beehive. But yeah, wasps represent red. Wasps can sting repeatedly, unlike honeybees. Well, if the camera gets stung, if it goes out, batteries first, I don't know. But here's the ultimate experiment. I hope to get so many views on YouTube. Here we go. The wasps are happily right in here somewhere. Alright, knock knock. If this doesn't work, the only other option I can do is shake the damn thing. And for you guys, I hope you get stung. When? I mean, they're invading our toolbox here, and we need to get in our tools. So I need to make sure where they're at. So here we go. On our mark, get set. There's one. Two. Well, it can't be too much of a nest now, can it? It can't be too much of a nest. Three. Three wasps. If I turn out the light, they'll be blind as a bat. Well, that wasp in the last episode was so overprotected that she acted like there was about 100 of them in there. That's it. Well, there they go. I gotta stay out of sight so they don't dart at me. 4. Once one gets riled up, the rest of it causes a chain reaction. Imagine if I picked up the toolbox and slammed it real good, maybe all of them would come out of there. But usually this kind of chain reaction, if it's a good sized nest, all of them will come out. Temperamental insects, preventing us from getting our tools. They're holding our toolbox hostage. I know, well, you spray right in there. I will at the last moment, folks. I'm just, what's that word? Speculating the nest here, or rather, doing a little experiment. Assessing the nest. Oh boy. I'm afraid to grab the cam, man, because then they'll turn on me. There's 4 of them. So it's probably not big of a nest. Probably the size of a $50 or a silver dollar, 2 inches in diameter. If it were a giant nest, yo, they'd be all swarming around this bitch. Alright, I want to kill the light. Dark light is their weakness. They can't see shit. I'm going to put the grab on the cam. Oh boy, they're guarding the fuck out of it too. I may have just given it a love jolt. There may be more in there. There may be 10, there may be 20. I don't know. That was fun. Till next time.